Hey guys, welcome back to the Multimagics channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up pipeline mail notifications. So instead of checking everything manually, we need to set up a mail notifications. So Jenkins when tells us if build is success or fails automatically. Let's start the configure how to set up mail notifications in Jenkins. Now go to Jenkins dashboard. So here click manage Jenkins and select configure system. So here we have to our emails. So before that we have to change our script. Now go to pipeline dashboard. Enter configure. So we change this. Now we have to change the pipeline script. So now I had here my mail. So whether build pass, it send notifications. Whether build fails means it also send notifications to mail. Now apply the changes. Save. Once we set up our pipeline script, now go to dashboard again. Now go to manage Jenkins and system configuration to add our mails. Now scroll down to email extend. So if you see here extended email notifications. So in this we have to, so in SMTP server we have to install default mail. Okay, now go to default user email suffix. So here we can add, so in default user email suffix we have to enter this @gmail.com. Now so once it's done, we have go to advanced setting, use SMT authentication. So here we have to apply our mail. So here we will not use our regular mail password, we use our app password. So app password means how to set up and how to you find. Let's start step by step. So now go to your mail, Google account security and click on this. So here two-step verification is turned off. So we have to turn it off, on. So enter your password. So once two-step verification is turned on, we have to go to search and search app password. Now go to here and we have to write app name. So give it here mail and create. Copy this, done. And we have to click here Jenkins email. Now create. So we have created only mail. We have to delete this. So once we have done setup, two-step verifications, and also create a app name. Also it gives a 16 letters password, and you copy that and we can use it here. So paste your 16 characters password. So once enter your 16 letters password and click to use TLSC and SMTP port 587, and finally check this and enter our mail. Now apply the changes and save. Now it's ready to run our pipeline. Also we have updated the pipeline script. Now it's time to run. It's starting pipeline. Click on that. So finally the build is failed. Now check what is going to error. So go to Jenkins simple pipeline again. We need to check things it's set up right or not. Now we go to manage Jenkins and we have to recheck what mistakes we have done. Now go to system configurations. Go to email extend. Yes. So we have set Gmail right, advanced, okay, this is set correctly. So in previous we got error, right? So in manage Jenkins, in go to custom and configure systems, we have to extend email notifications like smt.gmail.com and port number is same, and default @gmail.com we have done. So now go to, so here small changes in email notifications. Also we have to add smt.gmail.com and email suffix also same @gmail.com, and here your email and password before we have to verify two-step verifications is on, and it gives you password, and you also select either SSL or TLS. So it shows here port number default 464 is running. Now we have add our email also. If you want to check it here, email was successful. Now click this test configuration. It shows email was successfully sent. Now apply the changes and save. Now again we start build. So if you see, now just click on it. And if you see, the build has successfully completed. So if you want to overview, go to this pipeline overview. So the build is successful and mail also sent to our mail. So build has successfully installed and pipeline mail received successfully. Now we have to go to mail to check. So here you see I have successfully received the pipeline notifications. So the pipeline has been received without any issues. And that's it, our Jenkins pipeline executed successfully and mail notifications was received as expected. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I am Manoj, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.